Hello everyone, welcome to the ZNR channel and enjoy this video. In this video I want to share with you how to build the TV stand with less than 60 bucks. At first I bought this plywood from Home Depot and I cut it there too. For this project I cut this plywood on 5 pieces. One piece 48 by 3 inches, 2 pieces 48 inches by 5 inches, 2 pieces of 48 inches by 16 inches. So after I done cut it, I start to sand with 220 sandpaper. This plywood already sanded, but it still needs to be lightly sanded to make it clean and make ready for stain. Please pay attention how I sand it with the power tool because you don't want to over sand it in some spots. The goal is just to lightly sand it and make it clean. The surface I usually sanding on gear 5, but the corner is very important, so not to over sanding it. I change it on gear 3. You can see it on the video. When you're done with sanding the corners on this side, you need to sand the surface and the corners on another side. So don't forget to sand the surface with 5th gear and the corners with gear number 3. When you're done to sand all the parts of the stand, you need to cut the 5-inch parts on 16-inch length. I'm using the miter saw to get the best quality of the corners and to make sure that I have all corners 90 degrees. After then you cut all your parts. You need to choose the correct drill bit. The drill bit should be a little bit thinner than your screw. It's very important because if you want to drill the wood, it will crack, but if it will be wider than the screw, you won't be able to tie it in. So now we have all the parts ready and we choose the drill bit, and right now we need to mark the places where the holes will be and where we will attach all the parts together. Here I did 6 holes, 2 in the center, 2 in the left side and 2 in the right side. So on the sides I take 3/8 from each side and 2 inches from the back side and 2 inches from the front side. This is the location of my holes. I do 3/8 because my plywood is 3/4, so I want to make sure that my screw will be in the center of the plywood. Please look carefully on the video how I do that to make sure that you do this correctly. After I done drill the back side, I'm drilling the walls. So I drill it like you see, same 2 inches from the back side and the front side, and 3/8 on the center of the plywood. Please pay attention how I mark the drill bit with the blue tape. I took the screw and mark it on the drill. After that I take the blue tape and put it on the drill where I mark it with the pencil. After that I pre-drill with white drill on the back part to make the screw and the back part even. And now it's time to get all parts together. Please watch carefully how I do that so you don't miss any detail. Now I have all the holes attached to the back side, and right now we need to install supports on the back side so that the stand won't bend when it will be loaded with TV or soundbar or anything. It's very important. Same way like the walls. First we mark the holes and then we pre-drill it, and only after that we can screw it in. Please watch carefully and pay attention how I do that. And now I have all parts attached together except the top one, but before we attach the top one we need to stain everything inside and outside. I do this because the top one will be attached with the pin nails, because I don't want to have some screws on the top side to make it look more bare. Yeah, so we start to stain it. The stain you think you can see on the video. There is the name and everything, the brand of it. The stain process is pretty simple. You need to make sure that you cover any spot with the same number of coats and make sure that you didn't miss any spot there. Other way you will have color difference. After done staining, make sure the stain is totally dry before you attach the top part, because the top part will be attached with the glue and the peel nails. It's very important. So the stain is totally dry and I'm good to go with the glue to attach the top part. After I put some glue on it, I good to cover with the top part and nail it. After I finish nail it, I do stain the last coat everywhere, on the top side, on the back side, on the sides, the walls, inside, everywhere, one more coat of stain. After you're done staining, make sure that the stain completely dry, and that's it, you're done. You just need to choose your style of legs. I bought mine from Amazon. I will leave the link below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please support with like and subscribe. Bye bye.